Robert Bob Potvin. Robert Floyd Bob Potvin was born in Detroit, Michigan on May 31, 1947, and graduated from Benedictine High School in 1965. After attending Michigan State University, Robert entered the United States Army. After completing basic training, Robert volunteered for warrant officer flight training, was accepted, and trained as an Army helicopter pilot. Upon graduation from flight school, Robert was assigned to Vietnam as an Air Cavalry Scout pilot in the 1st Cavalry Division. On June 12, 1968, while serving as the team leader of an armed helicopter during a screening mission in Vietnam, Robert spotted enemy bunkers while providing cover for ground units. Disregarding his own safety, Warrant Officer Robert Potvin exposed himself to hostile ground fire as he flew at low altitudes over the enemy emplacements, drawing fire away from the ground unit. His actions enabled the company to break contact. Warrant Officer Potvin then provided cover for the evacuation of the wounded personnel. For his bravery in combat, Robert was awarded the Silver Star, Distinguished Flying Cross, and Purple Heart. After returning from Vietnam, Robert continued to serve in the Army as an instructor pilot in AH-1 Cobra gunships. Robert would eventually leave the Army and once again attend Michigan State University, graduating with a degree in criminal justice in 1973. Robert would then join the Michigan Army National Guard, where he again served as a scout helicopter pilot. In that capacity, Robert was directly involved in the training and standardization of scores of helicopter pilots, driving their acquisition of air cavalry and attack helicopter tactics, techniques, and procedures. Many of the pilots that Robert trained were deployed overseas to fly in Iraq and Afghanistan. Chief Warrant Officer 4 Robert Bob Potvin passed away on May 5, 2019. For his contributions to military aviation for the state of Michigan and the United States of America, Robert Floyd Potvin is enshrined in the Michigan Aviation Hall of Fame.